Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the simple and straightforward steps to verify your Gopuff driver account, so you can start delivering with confidence. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process of verifying your Gopuff driver account with easy-to-follow steps that will have you on the road faster than you expect. First things first, to get started, you need to have your personal details ready, including your driver's license and a valid government-issued ID. Once have these documents handy, you can head over to the official Gopuff driver portal or app login page. You'll begin by entering your basic information, such as your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to double-check for accuracy, because this info helps with your verification. Next, you will be asked to provide your vehicle information, if you plan to deliver with a car or a bike, depending on your location. The details usually include make, model, and year of your vehicle. Remember that your vehicle must meet Gopuff's safety and insurance requirements. After submitting your vehicle info, the system will prompt you to upload your identification documents. This is a crucial step for identity verification, so ensure the photos are clear and legible. Blurry or dark images can cause delays. In addition to your ID, you might be required to consent to a background check. Gopuff uses this to ensure safe and reliable drivers for their customers. This process may take a little time, but it's important for your account approval. After background check approval, you will receive a confirmation email or notification on the app, confirming your verified status. Now, you're ready to start accepting delivery requests on Gopuff. If at any point you encounter issues, the Gopuff support team is available to help troubleshoot. Simply use the help section in the app, or visit their support website for assistance. To recap the key steps: 1. Prepare your government-issued ID and driver's license. 2. Enter accurate personal and vehicle information in the app. 3. Upload clear identification documents. 4. Consent to a background check. 5. Wait for verification confirmation. Gopuff makes it simple and secure so you can focus on delivering and earning. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you feel confident about verifying your Gopuff driver account. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials and tips on gig economy jobs.